Context compiler is a host-side authority layer for LLM applications. It lets applications use models for interpretation and generation without making model output the source of truth for state, policy, or execution. The core idea is to separate language intelligence from application control. This first demo shows premise-driven schema selection. The user request stays the same throughout. I need help with order A100. The model gives a plausible interpretation. The host does not let the model choose a workflow on its own. With no matching authoritative state, no workflow is selected. Now I'll save a factual premise saying this order was a delivered physical item damaged on arrival. The model output is still basically an ambiguous support interpretation, but now the host has an authoritative state, so it deterministically selects the refund intake workflow. The routing is incoming from explicit state plus host business roles and not from model inference. Now I'll reset and save a different factual premise. For the same user request, the host now selects the technical support item instead. So this is not just prompt reinjection. The saved premise is being enforced at a host decision boundary, workflow, and schema selection. The second demo will show execution authorization. Here the model reviews an expense request and says it's approved, but approval text alone does not authorize the host action. With no authoritative approval state, the host still blocks execution. Now I add explicit authority with a canonical directive. For the same request, the host now allows the protected action to execute. Now I try to prohibit that capability while it is currently in use. Context compiler returns a clarification prompt instead of silently overriding the active state. And because that contradictory instruction did not mutate authoritative state, the protected action still behaves according to the previously valid state. Together, these two demos show the point of context compiler. It's not about replacing LLMs with statements. It's about giving LLM applications a real control plane, so explicit state can govern different host-side enforcement points. The result is context compiler, a host-side authority layer for LLM applications.